Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited. I have the new Christmas Star Flakes class kit from Gina K and Simon Says Stamp, and this is a Create Together class. It is being held on July 31st at 12 p.m. Eastern Time on the Simon Says Stamp YouTube channel. And it will be on there, so if it stays on there, so if you can't make it that day, that's totally fine. You can go back and watch it. So this class kit was curated with Gina, and she'll be using these products in that class. I'm showing this to you today so that you know what's included in the kit in case you wanted to order it or any of the pieces in it. But if you are not ordering it, I just wanted to let you know what you can gather together to take this class. You don't need to have the supplies in here at all. You can use what you have at home. And so I just wanted to go over the contents with you. So this kit, you can get the kit with all of the pieces, and there's also a bundle that has the class kit and the Poly-glaze sheets. So these are awesome. The Poly-glaze foiling sheets from Gina K. All you need to do is you want to make sure you use the right foil, so like Deco foil, any of Gina K's fancy foils, and you cut out the piece that you want and you put that foil on it and you run it through a laminator or a ink machine, Gina's fuse machine, and it will only foil where the gray is, and it's pretty much foolproof foiling, which is awesome. So this is a coordinating to the class kit. Let me just get this out for us. And there are some ink colors in here as well, and I will swatch those out for you as we get there. But let's take all this stuff out of here. Ooh, look at all these goodies. All right, so first we get our lollipop, which Simon always sends with their kits. And we have a coupon. This one is fresh, and it is $5 off your next order, and this is good through August 25th, 2026. So if you're going to order anything, be sure to use that. All right, let's look at all these goodies. I'm trying to look for the stamp set here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. Look at these snowflakes. I think snowflakes and butterflies are kind of like my kryptonite, right? So like, I just love this. Oh my goodness. And then the fonts are great on the greetings. We have Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Snow Many Kisses, Happy New Year. A lot of sparkles and snowflakes. And then we have Peace, Love, and Joy for a kind of a sub-sentiment, but that could go by itself as well. Oh, so gorgeous. And then there is a coordinating die set that goes with that, and it does cut out everything, and if you look, it cuts out the insides of some of these. So the Snow Many Kisses and Happy New Year, it cuts out the insides there, whereas the other ones, it cuts around the outside edges. So you can see that here, how it's shaped with the sentiment. Then we get all the dies for the snowflakes. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is such a good set. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let's see what else we have in here. We have, oh, this coordinates with this. This is a Christmas Star Flakes stencil set. There are 4x4 stencils in here, and this is an easy way to color these snowflakes. That is brilliant. I love that. Oh my gosh, so you can get all different kinds of layers and colors and all that good stuff. Awesome. I love coordinating stencil sets. That makes like life so much easier. All right, then we have this beautiful embossing folder. This is the Tessellating Snowflakes. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a really cool pattern with lots of little snowflake dots on the insides of the circles. All right, now into like the little things, right? So we have some Simon foam squares. These are the thin ones. You can see how thin these are. I love that because it just adds a little bit of lift without, you know, being too crazy. We also have the Simon Clear Positively Dazzling Gems. These are so pretty. Super duper sparkly. Perfect for winter and snowflakes and all of that. All right, then we have Simon Says Stamp Clear Embossing Ink to, I would assume, go along with the Simon Says Stamp. This is the Fine Detail White Embossing Powder. So I'm sure Gina will give us lots of cool techniques with this stuff. And then we have this little silicone applicator, which probably goes along with this. This is the Simon Says Stamp Sparkle Paste. Look at this. This is very silvery and gorgeous. I love this little applicator. I've never seen one like this before, but that would be perfect for putting through small stencils like this. All right, let's see what else we have. We have our Teacher's Pet sticker. Every class kit comes with one of these little stickers, and they are so cute with Simon on there. All right, then we have 3 pre-scored card bases in the white. So that's perfect. You just fold those, and then now you have a card base, right? Easy peasies. Then we have, sorry, I don't want to blind you with these. We have silver foil, and this is the Cardstock. This is from Tim Holtz. So a lot of cool techniques. You can just die cut this. If you run it through the embossing folder, like that, the Tessellating Snowflakes, and then you sand off the top, then the Kraft will start shining through. So you get a cool effect there. And then let's see, what do we have for our papers? So we have the Neenah, and this is the thicker one, so probably I think it's like 110 pound. And then we have the Simon Black, and this is also heavyweight. Okay, and again, the Poly-glaze. So this is, you either need to buy it in the bundle that has this in there, or you can purchase the Poly-glaze separately if you would like, but that does coordinate perfectly, and you can use the dies and the stencils on this. And I will list in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com all of the contents that are available right now, as well as the class kit and the bundle. Not all, some of these are exclusive and haven't been released individually into the store yet, but I will update that list as things get added to the store. So here is our beautiful ink palette for this. We have Limelicious, Tropic, Carnation, and Periwinkle. All right, so I thought that we could give this a quick swatching just so you can check these out, what they look like. These are, I love when like it's non-traditional kind of Christmas winter colors. Like I just love these colors together. So that's a Periwinkle. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then we have the Carnation. Gorgeous. Ooh, we got Limelicious. And then we have Tropic. And I was looking online and it had it as Tide Pool, but I don't know if they were swapping in Tropic instead, so we'll have to figure that one out. But the Tropic definitely goes well with these and looks awesome. So again, the Periwinkle, Carnation, Limelicious, and I have the Tropic. If you like the video today, I have another one coming up that you will love, and I will also put on the end screen my Simon Says Stamp kit unboxing videos. I just did one with the Kathy Zilski Create Together class. I have the Jennifer McGuire class, as well as the monthly regular card kits. So if you like unboxing videos. I do have a playlist for that. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.